How to record a refund to a customer. Have you refunded a customer and need to record this in your file? Let us show you how to do this. First, we need to create a check. Select the plus sign in the top right-hand corner, then select Check. Enter all the check information. The payee must have the customer name selected. Under Account Details, select the drop-down and select Accounts Receivable. Click Save and Close. If the previous steps leave transactions open on any accounts receivable reports, follow these next steps to correct the situation. Select the plus sign in the top right-hand corner, then click Receive Payment. Enter the customer name and leave all fields blank on the form. Under Outstanding Transactions, select the check you have just created. Click Save and Close. You have now recorded the refund to the customer.